CAT-6 is a type of Ethernet cable used for network installations. It's a twisted pair cable that can support data transfer rates up to 1 gigabit per second at a distance of up to 100 meters and up to 10 gigabits per second at shorter distances. The cable is composed of 4 pairs of copper wires, which are tightly wound together to reduce interference, known as crosstalk. This design improves signal quality and reduces data transmission errors. Why is having CAT-6 pre-installed in your home is beneficial? Future-proofing your network. CAT-6 cables can handle higher data rates than older cables, like CAT-5 or CAT-5e. As internet speeds increase and more devices connect to your network, having CAT-6 cabling ensures your home network can handle future demands without needing an upgrade. Enhanced performance. With CAT-6, you get faster and more reliable internet connections, which is crucial for activities like streaming high-definition content, online gaming, and using smart home devices that require a stable connection. Support for high-speed internet plans. Many modern internet service providers offer gigabit internet plans. CAT-6 cabling allows you to take full advantage of these high-speed connections, ensuring you get the speeds you're paying for. Improved home value. Pre-installed CAT-6 cabling can be a selling point for your home, as potential buyers will appreciate the convenience and the modern infrastructure that supports their networking needs. Ease of installation for future devices. If you plan to add more connected devices to your home, having CAT-6 cabling pre-installed makes it easier to integrate these devices into your network without needing additional cabling work. In summary, having CAT-6 cabling pre-installed in your home ensures that your network is robust, future-proof, and capable of handling the demands of modern and emerging technologies.